Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anjali. Guys, today's video is very important as I will tell you how to learn English step by step. Before this, I would like to say that if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, then please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Guys, when we decide to learn English, we often have this question in our mind like where to start, how to start, and having no clear idea about the problem, we tend to think that learning English is overwhelming. But this is not true. Learning English is absolutely fun and even enjoying. You just have to initiate or put a step forward toward your goal. Things will automatically come up to you. Alright? So let's get ready to learn all those steps that will help you to learn English step by step. Alright? So here, step number 1 is listening. Yes, guys. Listening is very important. It is one of the skills that needs to be good at any language, whether you are learning English or Hindi. You must have seen that how kids learn their native language and gain extreme fluency in it. Kids listen to their parents very carefully. Kids listen to their family members very carefully. In the same way, guys, you also have to do like the kids. Now, our case is different. We are not kids. We are not actually surrounded by English language. Now, what to do? You can listen English podcasts, TED Talks, English stories, which are simple and easy to understand. English songs, all these will help you to improve your listening skill in English. Alright, so listen, keep continuing. I know in the beginning it is going to be difficult for you to continue and you might be in fluster or in a confusion that learning English is too difficult, but it's not true. Learning English is absolutely fun. You just have to stick with it. Okay? You will automatically get interest in it. So, this is what about step number 1. Let's move on to the step number 2. Step number 2 is speaking. Yes, guys. After listening, you have to muster up your courage to speak in English. You must have seen that kids speaks their native language without fear of getting embarrassed in front of the people. In the same way, guys, you also have to speak heedless of the consequences, heedless of the mistakes. Alright? In order to improve your speaking skill, you can also watch movies in your native language but with English subtitles. I'm telling you to watch movies in your native language because you are already aware of the film. You know what is going to happen and what the film is about. Then things will going to be easier for you to learn. You will easily learn the words, phrases from the context. You will easily pick up the idioms, phrases, proverbs, slang phrases, and many more from its context. Okay? So, watch movies in your native language. Do shadowing. Yes, guys. Shadowing will help you to improve your pronunciation and also carefully listen the intonation. It is also very helpful. Okay, so do shadowing, watch movies in your native language. All these will help you to improve your speaking skill in English. English. Alright, so this is what about step number 2. Let's move on to the step number 3. Step number 3 is reading. Yes, guys, reading is also very important to improve a language. Okay, now it helps to discover words, phrases, idioms, and many more that you don't know. You will come to know about different grammar rules and how to use preposition. All these things you will learn naturally. Okay, so read as much as possible. Now the question arises, what to read? You can read English story books which are simple and easy to understand. Okay, you can read a novel. You can read articles are also very helpful. Read article of your interest that you likes the most. Only then you will find interest to learn English. Okay, so this is what about step number 3. Let's move on to the step number 4. Step number 4 is writing. In order to improve your English in more better way, you have to write something. And you can write on any topic you like sun, television, any topic. Just write down 10 lines each day on any topic. You know, guys, this is really very beneficial because before writing you will think of the related words, you will think of the related idioms, you will think of the related phrases. All these will help you to improve your writing skill in English, and in this way you will give chance to your mind to think in English, and thinking in English and writing in English will soon become your habit. So just write down each day on any topic you like. All these 4 steps will help you to improve your learning skill in English. So just keep continuing. So this is what about today's video. I hope you like this video. If you really did, then please let me know in the comment section. It will be a great pleasure for me to read them. And yes, of course, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, then please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will come soon with another interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.